Magic chain is a beautiful stitch that looks very pretty. This is just another variation of the chain stitch and it's used with contrasting color threads, which makes it look so beautiful. Start by taking two contrasting threads of equal thickness in one needle. Make sure both threads are the same length. Secure the knot for both threads together. Start the line as you would do for a regular chain stitch, but loop only one of the threads under the needle. Another thread is not taking a part on this chain stitch right now. Take care to not catch the thread with the needle and ensure the same hole is used. Come up inside the loop and pull both threads gently forward. One thread will magically disappear. You will notice that the other color thread will be a little longer. Gently and carefully pull that thread to form a chain stitch. Continue down the row, alternating the colors till the end of the row. It might be a little tricky, but once you watch carefully which thread to pull, then it becomes pretty easy to work this stitch. Scoop a bit of fabric for the next stitch and pass the other color thread under the needle. Pull in a similar way. Now the stitch is made using another thread color. Be careful and not to twine the thread too much in the process, and keep slow pace and patience. I like to use contrasting color threads for the maximum effect of this stitch. Be careful and separate the threads while passing through the fabric, it will be easier to work. As you can see, you end up with a line of stitches made of two colors. To finish, take a holding stitch over the final loop. The holding stitch will be both colors. Secure it with a knot on the back side. This is such a fun stitch. I hope you enjoy it and share it with your friends. And subscribe to my YouTube channel if you want to see more videos like that. In my next video, I will be talking about all the rest chain stitch variations and you will probably learn more stitches with me. If you want to stitch this sampler too, I have many samplers like that available on my Patreon. You can also find some PDFs with such samplers on my Etsy shop. All the links in the video description below. So thank you so much for watching and see you next time. Bye!